Okay, so what I've done here is I trained these two sliders to have this following behavior where the bottom slider follows the top slider. And I used a transformer to do this, and I had ChatGPT write all the code here. And it has 3 different modes. So it has gather mode, where I can drag them and control them myself, like this. And I just kind of, drag the top one first and then the bottom one to kind of show that the bottom one follows the top one. Then it has train mode, and this is training on that data it just collected. And then it has run mode if I hit R. And I can grab this one here, and you can see if I move it, the bottom one is pretty much following the top one. Okay, so I'm having ChatGPT write this Pygame application, which will let me drag these 2 sliders here and create training data for a transformer, which will take in 2 numbers and try to predict the following 2 numbers. So I'm going to be able to create some training data, train on it, and then run it. And I'm expecting to be able to create a pattern and have it be repeating with these sliders. So let's see. Yeah, so there's 3 modes: gather mode, train mode, and run mode, which feed forward, just takes the model's output and just keeps running it back in. Dude, did it finish? It actually finished? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. If this runs first try, I'm gonna be very impressed. Let's see. Okay, paste that, save, run. Users, transformer, enable nested tensor is true, is false because the encoder layer something first was not true. Okay, so I got a warning. Let's see. Let's see if it fixes that. Because God forbid I have to understand that. Well, okay, so it's giving me a fix just for that class. So I will try to copy this and replace that in the code. Class transformer. Here's my beautiful transformer. Little fix there. Let's try and run that. How do I stop this? Oh, it is in gather mode. Try to run that. Ooh, gather mode. Okay. Wee. Wee. How do I change modes? Now how do I change mode? I'm gonna actually just look at this here really fast. Anything about buttons? Mode is gather. Running is true while running. Mouse button down and up, dragging, slider. Key down, G, T, and R. Gather, train, and run. Cool. Okay. So we're in gather mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if this goes up, this goes up. And if this goes down, this goes down. And if it goes back here, this goes here. Okay? Gather, train. Oh, yo, it's learning. It's actually learning. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, let's run it. Boom. Up. Up. And we're stuck here. I can. Oh, dude, I can grab it. I can. Oh, it goes left. This. If this is here, huh? This one kind of wants to stay here. Boom. And then we go back to middle. This should come here. Boom. This. Back. This. I feel like this one should follow this one. So if I go over here, this kind of follows that. Yep. And if I go here, this one is not really following it. Let's go back to gather. So here we are. We're in this situation. Let's go here, and then this one, and then here. Just, you know, this one kind of always follows the top slider, right? Just follows the top slider. Go to the right, go to the right, and this one. All right, train. The loss is pretty low still. I hope it's training on that new data. And let's say run. Ooh, hello. I bring it over here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Follow the leader. It's following it. Here we go. Okay. And we can bring it here. It's following. Look at that. Dude, it learned. Oh my goodness. You have no idea like why this is cool, because these sliders don't have to just be sliders. These could be like a robot body, right? And this could be a walking gate or something. And I could just puppet the robot myself, and then when I let the robot take control, it would just act out this walking gate itself. Dude, this is really sick. Okay, it worked. I'm gonna post the code in the description. Check it out.